Hello everyone, this is Amanda coming to you with a quick video, and today I'm going to share with you how to earn an additional $200 to $400 per day using your cell phone. And what I love is that the system is easy to duplicate and it's extremely beginner friendly. So if you are an affiliate marketer, or maybe you're looking to earn some additional funds from home and you haven't found anything that works, you definitely want to stay till the end of this video, because I'm going to show you how to use the system, and not only that, how you can start earning and get set up as quickly as possible. One of the things I noticed is that with a lot of opportunities, they normally have a really bad setup, or it's hard for people to get started because they don't know exactly what to do or how to use the product. With this, you could be set up within a couple of hours, and you can actually start producing results through the traffic that's built into this software. So I try to really stay away from things that are too complicated or that takes too long to actually start getting results, because normally what happens is that when people spend a lot of time trying to get set up, they normally lose the momentum from that business. So what you want to do is you want to have something that's duplicatable and easy to get started with. So this is called the Cash Flow Independence, and it's a software business that's going to allow you to have an unlimited amount of traffic to your business, and it can actually be done passively. And this is for people who don't have a lot of time, or they just don't want to have a lot of a setback of learning a new skill set. So if you are like me, one of those people that don't want to pick up a new skill set, don't want something that's overcomplicated, you can actually get started with this software business and start producing results. Now, before we get started and I show you what this is all about, I just wanted to make a quick disclaimer that this is not a get rich quick overnight opportunity. You can start making money fairly fast, but it's not a get rich quick overnight. So if you're looking to get into this opportunity and make $10,000 over the next 4 weeks, 6 weeks, it's not going to happen. This is going to be something that's a long-term business opportunity, which means the more work that you put into it, the more that you increase your traffic through using the software, the more money you can make. Okay, so you're going to have to put in some work. Now, when you come into the capture page, it's going to take you to a landing page that basically is going to give you information about this opportunity called MySoftwareBusiness. And what this is a new technology that allows people to text a phone number and actually start producing a cash flow. And not only that, have the text bot do the work for you. So this is like basically rejection free. If you don't like speaking to people about your business and you want something that's working for you in the background, you want to start with something like this. So you're going to get 12 softwares, which is a lot, that's going to actually work for you 24 hours, 7 days a week. And the reason why this helps is because now you don't have to do any selling or telling to people. You don't have to try to convince people that what you have works, and you can focus on other things in your life, like growing your business, taking care of your kids, doing the things that you love to do. So it's 100% rejection free. You don't have to try to convince people to buy this. There's no complicated tools. Again, this will take about less than an hour to set up with. That's your payment processor, your telephone number, which you're going to receive as soon as you get started, and your back office. It's literally step by step. You're going to be able to get unlimited direct $200 payments from each person that joins you in this opportunity. There's no auto ships, there's no hidden fees, and there's no waiting to get paid. These are direct payments that are going to come to you. And this opportunity is for those who are in the US and for those who are also international. So no matter where you're located, if you have a third-party payment processor that you have access to, you will be able to use that to receive your payments. And then there's also flexible payment options. Okay, so if you click here on this getting started, or you just go to this phone number, it's going to give you more information about how this works. But not only that, it's going to allow you to start with a free account, so you don't have to pay to set up the free account, but you do need to make a payment in order to start collecting payments from the system. So when you come here, they have 12 value pack enterprise level softwares for a one-time fee of $200. And these softwares are going to allow you to start getting traffic, gaining momentum, and not only that, start earning from your software as quickly as possible. So they have the biggest fan, and it tells you basically what you're going to get with each software that you purchase. Again, this is a one-time fee to have access to all of these softwares that's included in your back office. So they have the post filler, they have groove flu, they got the form filler, color grabber, and it tells you basically what everything is going to give you to help you to gain momentum in your business and build your traffic. Okay, so again, if you're ready to get started, you can call this number, you can click here to join, and then this is where you put in your information and you put in your username. You're going to see a picture here of your invite. Please make sure that it has my information if you want me to be your sponsor. And then you're going to create your account to get started. This is going to show you basically the steps that a person will have to take when they sign up with your link. So from your capture page, which you can have set up, this is a great thing to do to have people follow up with you. From this capture page, it's going to take you to this information that has the video of what to expect when you join and what the opportunity is all about. And then on top of that, it's going to give you all of the automation suite value packages that's available when you join this opportunity for a one-time fee. Okay, so if you want more information, the link will be in the description below. If you have any questions, my information is also available in the description below, and I look forward to helping you to get started. So thank you so much for viewing this video. Have a great day. Subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Bye-bye.